Kia ora guys, I am here, it's the evening, I'm out on this gorgeous walk and I've just come across the bridge that we used to hang out on as kids here in Gisborne, Aotearoa, New Zealand, and man did we get up to some mischief. And if you know this bridge, it's down from the Campion College there, yeah, fun times. But I just really love this time of the day, so calming. Man, just it's so nostalgic, eh? Always coming home and So yeah, who knows this bridge? Who's been here? It's so fun. All the colours. Ah, Gizzy.